Hi, this is Sherry Veronica. The family of some of these guys here, there's 6 of them, and there are some family members that wish they had the money to do an appeal, but they don't. They recognize that they are poor, and because they're poor, there's nothing they can do to help their loved ones. Now, they think that these guys, 5 of them, you have seen 6, but only 5 of them were around to be sentenced. Okay, so they're thinking that without any evidence, no gun, no bullets, no nothing, the judge Carlisle Graves still sentenced these men to 20 years. Long time, 20 years. Hinds, Fenty, Boyce, Worrell, and Bowen were found guilty of recklessly discharging a firearm along Kew Road, Bank Hall, St. Michael, a public place which placed Acting Assistant Superintendent of Police Dale Critchlow and officers Jamal Williams, Ryan Eversley, and Markinson Chandler in danger of death or serious bodily harm. That's what they were found guilty of. Now, in Pamela Beckles' court, where Chaudhry Gobin killed a man, admitted he killed the man, no doubt he killed the man, he went free. He went free. And these 5 young men who family, they're saying that there was no evidence. There was no evidence, were sentenced to 20 years in prison. Now, I don't know if there are any attorneys in Barbados who would look at the case for free. Look at the case for free. Go to the appellate court in Trinidad for free. I don't know if any attorney in Barbados exists that would do it, but I would like to appeal to the attorneys in Barbados, especially if you are trying to get your name out there, to look at this case, look at this matter. The family members are saying there was no evidence. There were no guns. There were no bullets. How could they have been convicted when there was no evidence? And Chaudhry Gobin killed a man, admitted he killed a man, guilty as sin, guilty, and didn't spend a day in prison, not a day. People are looking at the court and the justice system in Barbados, and they're seeing that it's favoritism, it's skewed, it's not fair, it's who you know, it's how much money you have. They're seeing it. It's how much money is passed. They're seeing it. Now, again, any attorney in Barbados who has a heart, who has time, if you want to do something good for 2024, we all have our resolutions that we make at the beginning of the year. If you want to do something good, take a look at this particular matter that was before Carlisle Graves. Look at these 6: Fenty, Hinds, Boyce, Worrell, and Bowen. Look at that case, and if there's something you can do to take it before an appellate court, have it appealed, if it is so worthy to be appealed, take a look at it for the family's sake. For the family's sake. I'm their last hope. When you see that they've come to me, it actually means they've exhausted everything else, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I'm still here to help. I'm still here to help. And I want to appeal to the attorneys in Barbados to take a look at this case and put it before everyone in regards to what Pamela Beckles did in the Chaudhry Gobin case. Compare, contrast, see what is happening there in Barbados, and then you have to come to a conclusion. How could you not convict a murderer who admitted he murdered in cold blood because the guy was walking away? The guy was walking away, okay? And he hit that guy in his head and killed him in cold blood. How can that guy spend no time in jail, and then 5 people who discharged a firearm went to prison for as long as they did. Now, I took the 20 years I took the word of the persons who call. I'm in a chat, and that's what they said. They got 20 years. So I took their word. I didn't really dig as deeply into it because they are at Dawes, Hotel St. Philip. So, yeah, just if you care to, please look at this matter. And maybe it's appealable, but it's something to look at because, like I said, family, people who care about people are worried that their loved ones, Hinds, Fenty, Boyce, Worrell, and Bowen, they have names. They're worried that they were mistreated, they didn't get a fair trial, and it's something that they would like to see appealed, okay? This is Sherry Veronica.